In this video I take you out at dawn for a walk through the woods to hear the splendour of a dawn chorus in a British woodland. It's so beautiful. Why don't I do this more often? Come with me. Hello, Jan here from Into the Woods, and this is day 10 of our nature tonic for people who are self-isolating and are cooped up indoors. I'm going out in the woods every day to bring a breath of fresh air to you. I've come down to the pond on the way back from the most beautiful dawn walk. I wanted to take you out very early in the morning to hear the birds, and I was not disappointed. So I'm not going to do much talking today. I just want you to experience the bird song and the beauty. There's a kind of a fragile beauty of the woodland very early in the morning. And the birds are not individual. You can hear them singing and answering, singing and answering. I really got a sense of the community of the bird life in the woods this morning. That's their internet. That's how they're all talking to each other remotely. They can't see each other, but they're each sitting in their own part of the wood and sending messages. The woods were full of song, and especially the woodpeckers. There was a lot of woodpecker drumming. They're marking their territories out at this time of year. They're the spotted woodpeckers, the black and white, very dapper birds with flashes of red and coral on their tummies. I couldn't see them because it was too dark, but I could hear them. They were everywhere. Very beautiful. Even now, the birds are still very active. The sun is up. I'm going indoors for a coffee. I hope you're keeping well, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye bye.